Hello there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. So welcome to today's class. So basically today we'll continue looking at similarity and congruence, and today we want to focus on congruent figures. So when you talk about congruent figures, there are some properties which we actually consider, okay, or which we actually look at. So for instance, the properties that determine congruence, we say two shapes are congruent if the corresponding angles are equal. So if two corresponding angles are equal, then that is congruent. Then corresponding angles are equal, okay, corresponding angles sides are equal, okay. So if the corresponding sides are equal, then this means that it is also congruent, okay. All right, so we proceed. So we now look at the conditions for congruence of triangles. So triangles are congruent under three conditions, okay. So two triangles are congruent when the three sides of the triangles are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. For example, in this triangle, you see that these sides are equal, okay. So these sides are equal. So therefore, angle ABCD and angle KLM are equal, okay. The sides are equal, okay. Then the second property or the second condition is that two triangles are congruent when two sides and include the angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and include the angle of the other triangle. So we write angle ABC is equals to KLM, angle angle KLM. So we have side an angle which is equal to this angle, and this side and this side are equal. So this condition is satisfied and can be applied, okay. Then we look at another condition. Two triangles are congruent when two angles and one of the triangles are equal to the corresponding two angles and one side of the triangle. For instance, in this particular case, we have angle ABC and angle KLM. So we have the angle, two angles, these two angles and these two angles are equal, and the one side is equal. So this side and this side, then this satisfies that this is a congruent angle, okay. Then we look at the final one, okay. So the final one is that two right angled triangles are congruent when, okay, when the hypotenuse, okay, and one side of the triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. So we write angle ABC is equals to angle KLM. So the opposite, okay, the hypotenuse and the one side are equal. So here is the hypotenuse, the opposite is here, and okay, right. So basically these are what are some of the properties under congruent angles. So we looked at some of the questions from yesterday's class, so make sure you take note of what we looked at and to see how best you can revise. So we have a question. Okay, so this question says make freehand drawing on make a freehand drawing on to determine whether you would be able to construct two congruent triangles given to the following information. So where we have angle ABC with AB is equals to 60 millimeters, and AC is equals to 80 millimeters, and BC is equals to 70 millimeters. Then angle DEF with AD, I beg your pardon, DE is equals to 8 centimeters, and then DF is equals to 60 millimeters. So 80 millimeters here, 8 and then 60 millimeters, and also EF is equals to 70 millimeters. So in this particular case, we are told to draw. So when you sketch, it should be like this. So our A is here, okay, then you just put the figures as mentioned in our question. So therefore these two are similar. So therefore angle ABC are equal to the three sides in angle DEF. Okay, so therefore this satisfies a congruent. Okay, so this satisfies a congruence, and therefore we're saying angle ABC is equals to angle DFE. Okay, so the sides are equal. So this satisfies the condition we are from looking at. So basically this is where we end. So you can try to work out these two questions. Okay, so make sure you try to work out these two questions for today's class. Okay, so make sure you answer try to answer this question. So if you have got any challenge where you are not clear, kindly let me know. I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much. So make sure you try to answer this question. Thank you. Stay blessed.